Brad Williams, XL Prime. Here is an example of a SUMIF with only two arguments. In the previous example, we demonstrated there were three arguments here. We had color, F5, and unit price. Here, what we're looking at is a range of information in B5 to E12. It has an invoice, a date, amount, and an age. That age really is just an invoice age. How old is this particular invoice? It looks like it's accounts receivable setup. What we want to find is any invoice less than 30 days, we want to add that amount up. And we want to add up any invoice greater than 30 days. And the way we do that, we're going to use the SUMIF, and we have a range. We have the criteria. We have a sum range. Well, the sum range, read it here. It says optional. We don't need to use this. We can still do a SUMIF with just these two arguments. What is the range? We need to find something that identifies an age. We have age, which is E5 to E12. Well, that's the range. Let's looking here. We want to know anything less than 30 days, we want to add that up. That would be the criteria. So if we go here, highlight this formula up at the formula bar, we have the range, and it says age 87. The criteria, G5. We have the sum range, 87. I mentioned the sum range, it's optional. Here, if you need to add this information up, you clearly need the sum range. Here we have the amount 87 and age 87. Is there anything here within this range that's less than 30 days? And if so, add them. That's true. If not, then don't do anything after that. We will look at SUMIF. Here's the range we're looking for. The G5 is the criteria right here, less than 30. What do we want to do? We want to add whatever criteria is less than or equal to 30. In the age, if there's nothing listed here under 30, the answer will be it'll add up to 0. And that's the SUMIF function. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.